I am on a mission to go from $0 to $10,000 by only reselling sneakers. And over the last couple of episodes, I've made a pretty decent amount of sales, racking up a total of $500 profit so far. And in this one, I'm planning on doubling it. And I'm sorry this episode took so long to get out, but as you'll see later on, it was for a pretty good reason. But with $500 free in my wallet, it's time to go out and buy some more sneakers. So right now I'm headed to one of my friend's house because he has a lot of sneakers that he said he can throw me for the low. And honestly, I might have hit the jackpot with this one. So hopefully I can walk away with a bunch of pairs. And obviously I had to jump on that offer. Entering into my friend's basement, it was clear that we hit the jackpot. With mountains of sneakers on the floors and on the walls, yeah, I was gonna walk away spending the entire budget. And I did have the whole interaction filmed, but guess who forgot to check if the audio was on? But regardless, after looking through hundreds of pairs of sneakers and negotiating back and forth on prices, I had my picks made. There's even more on the floor, if you can believe it. So I just got back from my friend's house where we cashed out the entire budget for 20 pairs of sneakers. Now, when we were going through it, we were negotiating prices, but all I kept hearing was 20, 20, 20, 30. I just decided to put them all together. So $500 for 20 pairs of sneakers is $25 a piece. That's a pretty good price, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not gonna bore you guys showing you a detailed look of all 20 sneakers, so I'm gonna just speed around it. First, we got these Easter 12s, Obsidian 13s, some Diamond Jordan 1 mids, Shadow mids, I don't know. I think these are the pine green mids, green and light blue mids. It's more, I got more than just mids, okay? The blood mids, I guess, bloodline mids, some more Supreme Air Forces. I think these are the powder blue Jordan 9s, Wolf Gray 12s, I think, Ferrari 14s. And then we got these dead stock. I got some Crimson Tint mids dead stock, FIBA 12s, some cool gray Jordan 11s, more Supreme Forces, but no laces, some white cement Jordan 5s. Lastly, some blue mids. Now, everything isn't necessarily hype, but if I can get these out to the right person, I can really make some decent profit with all these sneakers. Now it's time for the hard part where I have to take pictures of all 20 of these sneakers and list them up on Facebook and Instagram. This is gonna take a while. And after about 2 hours of work of posting all the pictures to my Instagram and Facebook, I had everything posted and lined up ready to go. And it didn't take too long before the DM started rolling in. So I already got somebody interested in a few pairs right now. He's trying to get the 12s, the 9s, and the 14s. He wants me to cut him a deal. I might just say like 200 for all three. I don't know. We'll see when we get there.
Yep, TY, man. Come fuck with him, man. Didn't want to really fuck with him anyway for a minute. We locked in there.
And after going back and forth and negotiating about what pairs he was going to get, we had our first sale in the books. Made our first deal for 200 for 3 pairs. Pretty good, actually. Some pairs I didn't think was going to go that fast. So looking good so far. All right, so I got somebody wanting the Wolf Gray 12s from my Instagram, so I'm getting ready to go drop those off to him right now. All right, we just made a sale for $115 on those 12s. First time not getting a cash payment, but it's fine. I can stick with Cash App, it's no problem. If anything else comes up today, I'll let you guys know. I already got somebody wanting those white cement 5s from Facebook, so right now headed there to go drop them off to him. With 4 sneakers out the door in one day, I was feeling pretty confident, but little did I know the very next morning I would get a message that would skyrocket this challenge to the moon. Okay, you guys, I just woke up. I just got a pretty crazy text message. Somebody said they are willing to take 10 pairs of my sneakers, and it's primarily the Jordan 1 mids, which are the shoes that I thought was gonna take the longest time to get rid of. If he's really gonna get all these, then this challenge is going to take a great turn right now. So I loaded up my cart and filled up my car with the hopes of being able to sell half of my inventory. All right, so I just pulled up to the meetup location over here by the mall. So right now I'm just waiting on him to pull up. Hopefully it's not that much longer. I'm just a little bit early. Check out everything individually.
Oh yeah, you good, bro. I mean, dope to know you, so and hopefully do some more business. How about a lot?
So boom, there you have it, guys. We did secure our $600, and he was a pretty cool dude too. So hopefully I do a lot more sales with him in the future. Oh, I mean, minus the 600 by 120 because one of the shoes I sold was going through from my personal business. So we have $480 that we just made. So yeah, we're looking pretty good right now. And after feeling like I was on top of the world with that sale, it would all come crashing down because literally the day after I had to get rushed to the ER because I had pretty bad chest pain and I had to sit in the hospital for over a week, putting a pause on this challenge, and I had to let go of all the deals I had lined up because I simply just couldn't meet up with anybody. And I appreciate you guys for all the support when I was going through this, but I got discharged a couple days ago and it was time to get back to reselling. I'm not gonna lie, it feels good to be out of the hospital finally, but that doesn't mean that the grind stops. Right now, I have a meetup for 4 more pairs, so hopefully I'm gonna just get these out the way so I can go ahead and finish off this video. Now we agreed on these 4.
Yeah.
I was trying to see what you would offer on those over there.
We low, but I mean, it's up to you. I do 20 on these. And these I could do 45.
And with that sale, I was left with just one last shoe that I just cannot get rid of to save my life. I was able to pick up some dead stock Jordan 11 lows for $100 and flip those for around $35 profit within an hour of me getting them, so it didn't deserve a whole presentation. And here we are now with pretty much every sneaker being sold and all the cash in my hand. It's time to reveal our brand new budget. And for anybody out there who's trying to get into reselling, you don't have to hop on the hype train and get every single Nike Dunk at the Foot Locker or even learn how to bot for real, because buying used sneakers for the low and flipping them is honestly more lucrative and is seen more frowned upon too. With that being said, our grand total for selling all of our sneakers comes out to $1,083, which means we completed our milestone of doubling our $500 and we added a little interest too. But I want to keep this train moving, so if you guys want to see a part 4, then I'm going to need 60 likes on this video, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.